Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In this video, we are going to connect our this application to Firebase Firestore. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, let's go to Google and type here Firebase console, this one. And you will see this link, first one, click Firebase console accelerated app development. Here, click here. And then click here, get started. And then click here, add project. Now give your project name here. So our project name is furniture app. And then click here continue. Now click here create project. Now it's creating our project. We have to wait. And now our project has been created. Let's click on continue. And now you will see here this type of screen. After that, click here authentication. And get started here. So you will see this here, provider and status. So we have to log in our user by email and password. So click here and enable and save it. Now click here Firebase Firestore database. Create database and start in test mode. Click this here and next, and then enable. It takes few minutes. Now you can see our database has been created. Now click here storage, this one. Click here rules and remove this and write true and publish. Now come here, this icon gear icon, I mean, click here project setting. Now click on here Android. We are going to connect our application, Android application, and this is for iOS, Apple, and this is for web. So right now we are connecting our application Android. So here we have to click this. Now Android package name. So here you have to provide your package name, and this package name, where is it? I will show you. Come back to the Android Studio and you will see here this. You have to click Android app and build.gradle. Click here and you will see application ID. This is your project ID. So here let's remove this underscore app like this. So make sure do like this, remove the underscore and just copy this, come back to the Firebase and just simply paste it here and then registered. Now download this Google JSON file, this one. So it has been downloaded here. So open this folder and you will see this here. This one here. So just open Android Studio like this and open this folder here and just simply drag and down this on this app folder. Just see carefully here, this in the app folder, this one. So like this, paste, leave it here like this and refactor. Now it has been added here, you can see in the app folder. Just paste on this app folder, then close it. Now come back to the Firebase and click on next. Now we have to copy this line, copy this. So after copy this, come back to the Android Studio and inside this Android you will see this Android, you will see here build.gradle, this one. Click on it and after this here in the inside the dependency. So after this, let's paste it here like this and then close this file. Come back to the Firebase and scroll down and we need this plugin, apply plugin, copy it and come back again to Android Studio and you will see this app build.gradle and at the bottom here after this dependency just paste it here and do as same I am doing here like this and close this. Now come back to the Firebase again and scroll down here and click on next and click to continue to console here and as you can see our project has been added to Firebase Firestore. You can see now this is a project which connected to Firebase Firestore. So in the next video we will work on save data and retrieve data, and so you guys see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.